Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the factorization of polynomial expression. We already have covered two types like common factor in pair of terms and common factor in all terms. So you can follow our this playlist, and if you have any questions, so you can comment. You can comment in the comment box. Okay, now we are solve is another type which is perfect square. So first start that video. Please subscribe our channel uh, for more information and for more learning. So now we will start the factorization of polynomial expression, which is the perfect square. So this type is like in if you have like this way a square plus minus. If you can say like here you can get the plus and you can also have the minus if another question. So you have 2ab and plus b square. So how you can solve it? You can make it perfect square like a plus minus b plus minus b the whole square. This is a polynomial expression formula. You already have covered this topic in previous classes. So now we have few questions related to these questions. So first we will solve the question number 4. Again, we are following here class 9 syntax book. And we are following exercise 4.1 and question number 4 and 5, right? So, okay, first we will solve the question number 4, which is related to a plus b whole square, right? So now we have question number 4 is 4a square plus 12ab and plus 9b square, right? Here we have a square plus 2ab and plus b square. We will divide like this way, like we will say 2a the whole square. Now we have 2 from formula. A is 2a. Now what is b? First we will write b square. So b square is 3b whole square. So b is 3b. Right. If you have, you will multiply, so you will get this answer again, right? Okay, now we have the another question. Okay, here we have mistake. We say like this one is 4 question. This is not a 4 question. Question number 4. This is question number 3. So we will see like this is question number 3. So question number in 3, we have question number part 3. Part 3 is x square plus 1 plus 1 upon 4x square. So how we can make this term is a plus b square. So first we will solve this one. Like this is a whole square plus here we have 2ab and here we have b square, right? So now we will solve like this way. X whole square plus 2 is from formula and x is a. Okay, and this one b is we will write b after this term. We will decide like this one is 1 2x is 1 upon 2x is b square. Now we have 2x is b, right? And after that we can write it like this way, x plus 1 upon 2x whole square. So this is the answer of this question. So question number 3 is the answer of the question number 3 is this one. And now we have question number, we will solve question number 5. 5 is similar to 4 one, so we will solve 5. So in question number 5 we have 625 plus 50 a square b and a4b square. So first we will decide like what is a and what is b. So here we have a is 625. If we take 625 square, okay, 625 square is 25. So if we take 25 square is, so we will get the answer is 625. So a is 625 and the b is here a square and b. So here we have this term. So now we will apply this a square. A is 25 whole square And again, we have formula 2. Now A is 25 and the B is here A square and B. And after that, we will take B square is A square B whole square. So we can get is 25 A square B its whole square here. So this is the answer of question number 5. So I hope you understand like how we can solve this question. Now we have question number 4, which are related to also factorization, but this question is related to factorize perfect square if we have A minus B square example. So now we have question number 1, part 1. Part 1 is very simple. B square 4, B square C square plus 4C to the power 4, right? Again, we will decide like what is A and what is B. So A is here is B square and B is here is 2C square, right? Because if we take 2C square whole square, so we'll get 4C square. So now we have B square, right? Formula 2 is A, B 2AB and B is here 2C square plus 2C square whole square. Now we get B square minus 2C square whole square, right? So this is the answer of this part, right? Now we have question number 2 because it's from fraction. So we will solve this one. And after that, we will solve question number 4 or either 4 or 6, right? So part 2, in part 2, we have 9, 4x4 minus 2 plus 4, 9x4. So first we will decide like what is A and what is B. So A is here is 3, 3 is a 9, 2, 2 is a 4. So 3 upon 2 and x 2 is a x to power 2. And then we will take a square. So we will get the x4. And about B is 2 upon 3 and x square, right? So we will apply this A and B here, like 3 upon 2 x square, the whole square minus 2. And after that, we will see 3 to x square and 2 upon 3 x square here. And for B, we will see 2 3 x square whole square. So now we get the answer is 3 upon 2 x square minus, because it's minus, we have minus here, 2 upon 3 x square. Yes, sir. So this is the answer of question number 2. And question number 3 is similar to question number 1, so you can solve very easily. Now we have, okay, one remaining thing. Question number 3 is a little bit different. So first we will take, we will solve this question. Here we have 2q, 2a b cube minus 16 whole square b to power 4 plus 32a b 5. Okay, now here is a trick, like you have odd number in this term. So odd number cannot be a square. So first we will take common here. So we will apply common factor in all terms here. So we will take common is 2. 2 is common here, and A is little term or A's lowest term is A. So we will take A here, and in what about the B? In B we have these 3 is common here. So here we get the answer is A square, right? After that 2, 8, 16, and we have A is here. And what about the B? B is single B is here, and after that 2, 16. 2 multiplied by 16 is 32. A we have common here, we get the B square. Now we can solve and we can apply the perfect method here. So we can have 2ab cube. Here we have A is A square. We can write like this way. 2. First we decide what is A and what is B. So A is A and the B is 4b, right? So here we have A is A and B is 4b, right? And after that 4b whole square is here, right? Now we can simplify like this, like A minus 4b whole square. So this is the answer of this question. So I hope you understand how can be solved. Now we will simplify question number 4. Question number 4 is, okay, now we will solve the question number 4. Question number 4 is 9p plus q whole square 6p plus q r square plus r4, right? Now we will solve it. First, we will decide what is A and what is B. A is 3p plus q, right? And the B is r square. So now we will apply this 3p plus q and we write like this square minus 2. And after that, we will write 3 multiplied by p plus q and r square is b and r square whole square. And now we will get 3. We can write like this way, curly bracket, because we have another bracket inside. So 3 plus pq is a, and minus is because of this sign, and r square is 1. So we have this answer of this question, right? Now we can simplify another question, question number 6. So this is last one, like a minus b whole square minus 8, 10 a minus b, right? And here we have 81. Now we will solve this one. This one is like in this way. First, we will decide what is A and what is B. A is A minus B and B is 9, right? So we will write like this way, A minus B whole square for the 2. And we have A minus B is A and B is 9, right? Now 9 whole square, and now we can write like this way, A minus B minus, because of this sign, 9. So this becomes the perfect square of this question. So I hope you understand how we can solve perfect square if we have factorization in terms of perfect square. So how we can simplify this. In next class, we will simplify the difference in two squares. So it will be very useful to understand. So please watch our video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.